Good morning. What's going on, guys? It's James with the game, and today is July 6th. It's my baby's birthday. Yeah, boy, happy birthday to Ebony, man. It's her birthday, man. I'm out here trying to go hard, work hard, so I can spend some money on her. But yeah, man, it's July 6th. Back at it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm taking it light today. It's already 90 something degrees. Yeah, I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I'm only gonna probably do maybe 6 today, man. I ain't gonna lie. There's no need to run out here and kill myself. Like, it's really not. Alright, so yeah, I figured it out. It is 25 for both of these. Hey, I'm low key mad at myself, because I could be at least getting 30. At least 30. But it's cool. These my peoples. They've been with me since day one. I'm on my 3rd season. So they've been with me since day one. So I'm good ready to get to it. We get ready to start cutting. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, guys, so just got done cutting. I'm getting ready to weed whack everything right now. Took me about 15 minutes. Mowing is usually the easy part. I think trimming takes me a little bit longer, getting everything even and then edging everything up. But for the most part, I try to get done these 2 houses in about 45 minutes. You know what I mean? $50. What I got right now. Shoot. That's what I got. I gotta clean up edge and everything, but pretty much everything is done. So I'm going to get busy. I'm getting ready to edge it up, and we out of here. I'll see y'all in a second.